Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President, the government, and the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace, and prosperity. Your Excellency, congratulations and welcome to Fiji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lovely question.